Helpful tips about how to make money online that are simple to follow. You can make money online if you're able to learn a few things about it first. You may be someone that needs a job, or you could just be looking to supplement your income. Whatever the case may be, you should take your time to go through all of this. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Try some surveys. There are many different surveys you can take. You can earn a lot of money doing these surveys. Depending on the site offering the survey, they may not pay much. They are fairly easy and the money adds up quickly. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. Now it's probably clear to you that you can work online and make money if you're able to follow the guidelines you just read. It's something you're going to have to take your time on, but in the end things should go well for you. Hopefully you are able to make some money now. Student loan.